First, I'm going to put pink food coloring in the bowl. Now I'm going to add some blue food color in the bowl. Here I got pink water. And here I got blue water. Now I'm adding 4 spoons of corn flour. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now I'm adding 4 spoons of corn flour. Now I'm mixing corn flour in the water. Now I'm going to transfer this on our cling film. Yeah, whoa. Leave it for some time till it dries. I'm gonna transform this on a cling film. It sounds dry. Should I help you? Leave it for some time till it dries. Still. And look! Very sticky. It's so great, but a little bit gummy. Yes. That's dry for in this mixing bowl. And look, I'm gonna grind this. Now I'm gonna transform this in. Done. Now I'm gonna transfer this into a mixing bowl. Now I'm gonna grind this. My pinky ponky color is already grinded.